5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello humans, this is Retro Rocket Man. What we have here is a Hasbro Titan Hero Series 12-inch Hulkbuster. This isn't the big 18-inch one, this is the next size down, but it still has a lot of the same details in the sculpt, and I figured this one would be a good one to have a go at just repainting it, bringing out all those lovely sculpted details that they've put into it that are sadly overlooked in its current state because it's just mostly moulded plastic. There's no real paint details on it aside from the odd gold bit here and there, and nothing on the back. We're going to beautify this thing, really appreciate it for what it is. So naturally we're going to start by giving it a base coat or an undercoat or a primer just to help the top colours stick properly to the plastic. What's that? Oh, that's the damn dog, little Daisy. Probably giving her opinion, but that's what dogs do. Anyway, so I'm just going to give it all over even primer. It already seems to look less like a toy, almost like I suppose a cinematic marquette they use for modelling special effects characters. Now that's properly dried. We're going to give it a base coat of red. This is just a Fiddly Bits brand, cheap brand. Like $4.50 or something for this can of spray paint, and it's just their gloss red standard colour, which suits me just fine. Certainly a lot better than the standard plastic red colour that the toy was originally moulded in. So I'm just going to give it an all over even spray and naturally let that dry. Sometimes certain parts need more attention, so they might need recoating, just so we get into all those little nooks and crannies. So here it is with the red dry. Already see a massive improvement, nice shiny new look to the figure. Of course, if I've got anything to do with it, it's not going to stay this way. I'm going to distress it a little bit, give him some scratches and a bit of weathering. All this helps to bring out the detail. Painting the gold sections now, starting with his, I don't know what these would be called, I suppose forearm panels. Now I'm painting all the other gold details and then silver details. I've been referencing images online to see what's to be painted where, but this isn't going to be an exact copy of the cinematic version, but close enough. So it's amazing what a little bit of paint can do. It really brings out all those little details you may normally have missed just from a lump of moulded plastic. And you might very well want to keep it at this stage without going any further, like it's a brand new car. But no, not me. I've got to dirty it down. So out comes the shoe polish, black shoe polish, and a lot of you guys have probably seen me do this many times before, so you know the drill. But for the uninitiated, it's just a simple matter of liberally brushing on the liquid shoe polish and then wiping it off and allowing it to settle in all that line work and panel work, and it sort of tarnishes everything down, just gives it an extra dimension. I just love this effect. I can't ever not do it. It's something that I constantly do with a lot of my projects. Again, just brushing it on, doing sections at a time, and then gently wiping off the excess till you get it to the sort of exposed level that you want. Just a matter of taste, I guess. You can already see though, all that panel line popping out. I'm moving on to doing some of the scratches by dry brushing some silver, trying to catch those raised edges. I don't like to go too heavy. In my opinion, subtlety is the key, and you don't want to overdo it, but again, it just comes down to a matter of taste, and I just go by feel. Just do these random touches here and there. When it comes to weathering and battle damage, that's exactly what it is. It's random, so you don't want to make it look too uniform. Now I'm moving on to painting of the eyes and the arc reactor and all those other little details throughout the battle suit that show up in the reference material. This is the final result. I think it turned out quite well. It's gone from a cheap plastic toy to this, and it's just amazing. All the details that you couldn't see before, they're all there. They just need to be painted and brought out. So this is Retro Rocket Man Humans signing off. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Over and out.